Yeah.
Hello everybody, a very good day to you all. First of all, I'd like to thank the chairman of the examination committee and all members for giving me the opportunity to present at the gist of my thesis work. Now, I'm going to present my thesis work. At first, I'd like to introduce myself. This is Muhammad Azharul Islam here. My ID is 141041333, Department of Mathematics, University of Rajshahi. The title of my thesis is Fuzzy Logic and its application in real life. Acknowledgement. This thesis is partially supported by NST, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Outline of my presentation. I have divided my presentation into following subsections: objective, review of literature, concept of fuzzy logic controller, defuzzification, fuzzy logic modeling of washing machine, result and discussion, conclusion, references. Objective of my presentation consists mainly two parts. Firstly, general objective, and secondly, a specific objective. General objective. The objective of the proposed study is that through the use of fuzzy logic, we will describe easily the mathematical model of washing machine using fuzzy logic by triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number. A specific objective. We used various fuzzy numbers to calculate the wash time for a washing machine and provided various decisions after comparison among them. Review of literature. The fuzzy set and fuzzy logic was first introduced by Lutfi Ali Asghar Jadeh in 1965. After that, for the first time, Mamdani demonstrated its application in 1974. Then, Al-Hanjari and Al-Haddad contributed a lot about it. In 2007, WDT, in 2011, Manish Agarwal, in 2014, Javed, Akram and Habib, more several researchers calculate the wash time for washing machine using fuzzy logic. Concept of fuzzy set. In this section, I would like to about I would like to I'd like to discuss about some definitions used for this work and then also explain fuzzy number. What is fuzzy set? A fuzzy set is a function on a non-empty set whose codomain is the unit closed interval 0 to 1. Example of fuzzy set. Here we can give an example of fuzzy set whose linguistic value near to 1. This is example of fuzzy set. We can see that the domain of the first fuzzy set is discrete and the domain of the second fuzzy set is continuous. Definition of normal fuzzy set. A fuzzy set is said to be normal if its height is equal to 1. Definition of alpha cut. Alpha cut of a fuzzy set is a Crisp set. Alpha contains those Crisp point of domain whose membership value is greater than or equal to alpha. Definition of support. The support of a fuzzy set defined as those elements for which membership value is greater than 0. This is example of support. Definition of convex fuzzy set. A fuzzy set is said to be convex if it is alpha cut alpha is convex for all alpha belong to 0 to 1. Concept of fuzzy number. In 1978, Dewey and Pratt defined the fuzzy number as the fuzzy subset of the real line. What is fuzzy number? A fuzzy number is a normal fuzzy set whose domain is a set of real number and it is alpha cut is closed and convex. Example of fuzzy set. This is example of fuzzy set. Classification of fuzzy set. There are several types of fuzzy set such as classification of fuzzy number. There are several types of fuzzy numbers such as triangular fuzzy number, trapezoidal fuzzy number, Gaussian fuzzy number, bell-shaped fuzzy number, etc. etc. Definition of triangular fuzzy number. triangular type normal fuzzy set is called triangular fuzzy number and it can be represented as this. Definition of trapezoidal fuzzy number. Trapezoidal type normal fuzzy set is called trapezoidal fuzzy number and it can be represented as this. What is linguistic variable? By linguistic variable, we mean a variable whose values are word or sentence. For example, S is a linguistic variable whose linguistic term can be represented as this figure. Classical logic representation. A classical logic is either true or false. True can be represented as 1 and false can be represented as 0. Block diagram of fuzzy logic. From this diagram, we can see that fuzzy logic is a generalization of classical sets, classical logic, infinite valued logic, and fuzzy set. Why use fuzzy logic? We use fuzzy logic in our real life because fuzzy logic is flexible, fuzzy logic is tolerant of implicit data, fuzzy logic can model nonlinear functions of arbitrary complexity, fuzzy logic is based on natural language, etc. Fuzzy logic representation. Fuzzy logic is an infinite valued logic whose trueness can be defined as grade of membership 0 to 1. Fuzzy logic controller. What is fuzzy logic controller? When we have not any exact mathematical formulation of any given problem, this specific logic is that's applied is called fuzzy logic controller. This diagram represents the working of fuzzy logic controller. The fuzzy logic controller mainly consists 3 blocks. Firstly, fuzzification. Secondly, fuzzy inference engine or rule select, and finally defuzzification or defuzzifier. The most popular of fuzzy logic controller system are Mamdani, Sugino, Sakamoto, etc. etc. Defuzzification technique. What is defuzzification? The fuzzy set that comes out from the aggregation process must be a Crisp number. The conversion process which converts a Crisp value into fuzzy value is called fuzzification. Some of the defuzzification methods are named by mean of max method, center of sum method, and center of gravity method. Mean of max method. This is the mathematical formula and this figure represents the geometrical meaning of mean of max method. Center of sum method. This is the mathematical formula and this figure represents the geometrical meaning of mean of max, center of sum method. Center of gravity method or center of area method. This is the most familiar method for defuzzification. And this is the mathematical formula and this figure represents the center of gravity method. If the domain of the membership function is discrete, then the defuzzified value for the center of gravity method we can use summation sign. If the domain of the membership function is continuous, then the defuzzified value for the center of gravity method we can use integration sign. Main work of my thesis: control system of washing machine. The control objective is to automate the wash time when using washing machine. Fuzzy logic modeling of washing machine. In this thesis, the fuzzy logic control was used to check the system continuously and execute the operation perfectly. The execution of the Mamdani controller is giving calculations of running time with high accuracy. Fuzzy input. The closed fuzzy logic controller for washing machine consists two inputs, that is the degree of dirt on cloth, the amount of grease on cloth. The first input is the degree of dirt on the cloth with three linguistic terms: small dirt, medium dirt, and large dirt. The second input is the amount of grease on the cloth with three linguistic terms: no grease, medium grease, and large grease. This is represent the linguistic terms and their represents of the given two linguistic inputs dot and grace. The membership functions corresponding to the linguistic values are represented by triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number. This is the mathematical terms of the given triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number for the linguistic inputs dot and grace. For a triangular fuzzy number, the membership function of the linguistic inputs dot and grace we can written as mu of dot and mu of grace. Similarly, we can write this for trapezoidal number and for mixed fuzzy number. Fuzzy outputs. The first fuzzy logic controller for washing machine consists only one output that is wash time. The wash time has 5 linguistic terms as very short time period, medium short time period, last short time period, and very last short time period. This is the linguistic term and their range, and this is the membership function. This is the mathematical terms of the given triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number for the linguistic outputs wash time. The Mamdani fuzzy inference process is performed in 4 steps. The Mamdani fuzzy inference system is designed in 4 steps. Firstly, fuzzification. Secondly, rule evaluation. Thirdly, aggregate output rule, and finally defuzzification. What is fuzzification? There is a membership function which turns into a Phillips value into a fuzzy value. Fuzzy value, this conversion process is a Phillips value into fuzzy value is called fuzzification. The decision made by fuzzy logic controller and obtained from the rules is known as fuzzy rules. The fuzzy rules are the sets of if and then rules. The total if and then rule base is required 9 rules. It can be seen in table 1. From this table we can read the rule. If the degree of dirty is small and the amount of grease is no grease, then wash time is very short. Rule evaluation. We assume when the amount of dirt is equal 60 and the amount of grease is equal 70, then we get this decision table. From our discussion, we have enough given 4 rules. Aggregation output. The type of fuzzy logic controller used in this model is Mamdani. The aggregation is max and the implication is minimum. The membership functions are triangular, trapezoidal, and mixed fuzzy number. For a triangular fuzzy number, the procedure of aggregate the control output is shown in this figure. In this figure, for a triangular fuzzy number, this is the control output fuzzy set. The control output fuzzy system are combined into a single fuzzy set or union of 2 or more fuzzy set. Similarly, this is for trapezoidal fuzzy number and this is for mixed fuzzy number. Defuzzification. There are many methods for defuzzification to control problem. Here we use 3 of them to control output problem. When using min of max method, we get the result is 25 minutes. Using the center of sum method, we get the result 35.36 minutes. And when using the center of gravity method, the result is 33.60 minutes. 33.60 minutes for triangular fuzzy number. Similarly, we get the result for trapezoidal fuzzy number and we get the result for mixed fuzzy number. Result and discussion. From this result table, we can see that using the min of max method, it can be explained that the wash time is same for triangular and trapezoidal fuzzy number, but the difference of the watch time is very different for mixed fuzzy number. So mean of max method application is reasonable to in terms of triangular number and trapezoidal number. Again, using the center of sum method, it can be seen that the watch time is located between triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number. In the case of mixed fuzzy number, it is advisable to use center of sum method. Also, using the center of gravity method, the watch time is found between triangular number, trapezoidal number, and mixed fuzzy number. Therefore, it is reasonable to use center of gravity method for mixed fuzzy number. From above discussion, we can see that the result, the power consumption will be lowest in case of triangular number and trapezoidal number on using mean of max method. When on the other hand, when using mean of max method, the watch time is highest for used mixed fuzzy number. Conclusion of my theories. Finally, when using different fuzzy numbers, we get the result center of sum, mean of max, center of gravity, as well as mixed fuzzy number. So watch time is closer to mixed fuzzy number than triangular number and trapezoidal number. Therefore, it is reasonable to use mixed fuzzy number in the washing time of a washing machine. References. This is end of my presentation. Here are some references from where I have made my presentation. Last of all, I would like to thank my respectable teachers informed by me for listening my presentation. That's all. কেমন আছে?
শেষের দিকে এসে একটু ইনক্লুড হয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা, আরেকটা দিন আছে তো আজকে তো কালকে সে কি ইমপ্রুভ হয়েছে?
কালকে যেরকম অবস্থায় ছিল কালকে যে যা যা বলেছিল